Now you see question number 10, exercise 16.4, mensuration. It's question number 10. This is a closed rectangular box, has inner dimension 90 into 80 into 70, means length equals to 90 centimeter, breadth equals to 80 centimeter, and height equals to 70 centimeter. It's clear. 90 into 80 into 70. Calculate its capacity. Capacity means volume. Capacity means volume. And area of the tin foil needed to line the inner surface. Area of tin foil will be equal to the total surface area. So see here, capacity means you have to determine volume. इतना तेज बोलो कि रिकॉर्डिंग में जाए और बच्चे आए. सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, सो दैट यू कैन फाइंड. चिल्लाओ नहीं, अब इतना भी नहीं. एरिया ऑफ टिन फॉयल रिक्वायर्ड. So this will be equals to total surface area, TSA. And how will you find TSA? What is the formula of TSA? Who will tell? Yes, you. BH plus HL. 2 within bracket LB. LB means L into B plus BH plus HL. It's clear? So this you can do. Area will come out in centimeter square and volume will come out in centimeter cube. Yes, very good. Now see the question number 11 and 12. 11 और 12 क्वेश्चन भी क्या है, एकदम सिमिलर हैं, एक टाइप के हैं. So this you note down. Calculation you can do. Calculation I am not doing. Question number 12. Here exercise 16.4. Question number 12. 11. The internal measurement of the box are 20 centimeter long, L equals to this, breadth equals to 16 centimeter, and height equals to 24 centimeter. Yes, very good. How many 4 centimeter cubes could be placed into the box? Now listen here. How many 4 centimeter cubes, means side whose side is 4 centimeter, can be put inside the box? It's clear? So here we will not do this question by this way, that volume of the box divided by volume of one cube. We will not do by this way. You can see here. Suppose this is the box, this room is the box. This is 20 centimeter. That breadth is 16 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. So how many cubes can be put along the length? So see here, as you know that the side of each cube is 4 centimeter. मतलब जब हम एक क्यूब रखेंगे तो वो लेंथ की डायरेक्शन में कितना कवर करेगी? 4 सेंटीमीटर. ब्रेड्थ की डायरेक्शन में 4 सेंटीमीटर. हाइट की डायरेक्शन में कितना कवर करेगी? 4 centimeter. So how many cubes can be put along the length? 5 cubes can be placed. It is clear? How many cubes can be put along the breadth? 4 centimeters. 4 cubes. And along the height? 6. It is clear? So there will be total number of cubes will be 5 into 4 into 6. That is 120. But suppose if the question says that the length is 22 centimeter. Length is 22 centimeter, means instead of 20 centimeter it is 22 centimeter. Then how many cubes can be put here? Then we can put only 5 cubes, 2 centimeter will be left. उस 2 सेंटीमीटर में क्यूब हम रख ही नहीं पाएंगे। क्यों? क्यूब का डायमेंशन तो क्या है, 4 है, उसको तो चाहिए 4। बच कितना रहा है? केवल 2 बच रहा है। 5 रखने के बाद, 5 क्यूब्स रखने के बाद केवल बच कितना रहा है? 2 सेंटीमीटर, तो हम नहीं रख पाएंगे। सो हाउ मेनी क्यूब्स कैन बी पुट? यू विल राइट 22/4 equals to 5, within bracket you write down complete cubes, 5 complete cubes. It is clear? You don't write 5.5. This thing is clear? So here we will not do this question by dividing the volume of box from the volume of 1 cube. उस तरीके से नहीं करेंगे, वो तरीका क्या है, करेक्ट नहीं है। आया समझे? So see here, how will you write this? What will be the statement here? You will write number of cubes which can be put along length. So it will be equal to 20/4, that is equals to 5 cubes. Then number of cubes which can be put along the breadth, 16/4, that is equals to 4. And number of cubes which can be put along height, so this will be equals to 24/4 equals to 6. Therefore total number of cubes, there will be how many total cubes? 5 into 4 into 6, that is 120. You write down. So we will do this type of question by this way. Now see here, question number 14. Question number 14, you can say a cube of 11 centimeter edge. 11 centimeter edge means, yes you, what does it mean? 11 centimeter edge means side is 11 centimeter. Edge means side. It is clear? So side is 11 centimeter. Means length is 11, breadth is 11 and height is 11. Is completely immersed in a rectangular vessel containing water. If the dimension of the base of the vessel are 15 into 12, find the rise in water level correct to 2 decimal places. Now see here, as you know that there is one rule, volume of displaced water will be equal to the volume of the immersed body. जितनी वॉल्यूम की बॉडी इमर्ज की जाएगी, दैट मच वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर विल बी डिस्प्लेस्ड. सपोज इट्स वॉल्यूम इज 200 centimeter cube, and if it is immersed inside this vessel, what will happen? This vessel is containing water. It will displace 200 centimeter cube of water. Means a body will displace as much amount of liquid as its own volume when completely immersed. जब पूरा डुबो देंगे तो ये कितने वॉल्यूम का लिक्विड डिस्प्लेस करेगा? जितना खुद का उसका वॉल्यूम है, अगर पूरा डिप किया जाएगा. अगर हम पार्टली डिप करेंगे देन व्हाट विल हैपन? वॉल्यूम ऑफ इमर्स्ड पार्ट. नाउ हियर दिस इज ए वेसल हुज बेस इज 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter, means this is 15 and this is 12. अब देख लो, जब इसमें वाटर डिस्प्लेस होगा तो डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर की भी लेंथ कितनी होगी? 15 ही रहेगी, ब्रेड्थ तो वही रहेगी 12. केवल हाइट क्या होगी, चेंज होगी. यू कैन सी हियर, इफ यू सी इन दिस वेसल, you can see what is the water level. Water level is up to here. यहां तक ये क्या है, वाटर से फिल है. You can see here. What is length? Length is 15 and breadth is 12 centimeter. Now when you will immerse a cube here, when immerse cube of 11 centimeter side is immersed here, what will happen? It will displace liquid whose, it will displace water whose volume is equal to the volume of cube. Means जो लेवल यहाँ था अब वो उठ के कहाँ आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. It will be shifted from this level, rises from here to here. Means what is the volume of displaced water? If you see, this is the displaced water. So you assume let the rise in level equals to h. Let rise in level equals to h. What is the length of the displaced water? 15. Breadth, height, h. So you write down, let rise in water level equals to h. Therefore, volume of displaced water will be equals to volume of cube. Volume of displaced water will be equal to volume of cube. Means it will be 15 into 12 into h will be equals to 11 into 11 into 11. That is, h will be equal to what? 1331 upon 15 to ja 33 180. It's clear? Now you divide it 133.1. हमको 18 की टेबल नहीं आती है, सब लोगों को आती होगी, हमको बताओ. 18 8 जा 144. It's clear? 18, so 144 is more. So 18 7 ja 126. So it is 7. Then how much is left? 7 will be left. 126 and 133 का डिफरेंस कितना हुआ? 7. 7 and 1 71. 18 4 ja is 72, but it will not go. It will go only 18 3 ja 54. How much is left? 17 is left. It's clear? 17 you increase 0, so it will become 170. Now 18 9 ja 162. How much is left? 8. 8 and 0 मिलके कितना हुआ? 80. So 18 4 ja 72. So you have to write up to 2 decimal place. So it is 7.59 centimeter. This is the rise in water level. This is clear? You note down. So here it is 7.394, not 7.594. It's clear? 18 3 ja 54. It's clear? So you make it correct. It is 7.394, not 7.594. This you can write 7.394. Now you see the one more question. and after this we will do the circle. Now all of you see question number 15, and this question is also very good. A rectangular container whose base is a square of side 6 centimeter, means container is like this. All of you see here. Its base is a square. Here base is a square, though it is not in the square shape. ये यहाँ पर स्क्वायर शेप का नहीं लग रहा है, वो तो 3 डायमेंशनल उसके कारण. Rectangular container whose base is a square of side 6 centimeter stands on a horizontal table and holds water up to 1 centimeter from the top. Means it is holding water up to 1 centimeter from the top. मीन्स ये कहाँ तक फिल है, यहाँ तक ये फिल है पूरा. इट इज फिल्ड अप टू हियर. ओनली टॉप 1 सेंटीमीटर इज नॉट फिल्ड. टॉप 1 सेंटीमीटर इज नॉट फिल्ड. मीन्स जितना पोर्शन फिल नहीं है, व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट पोर्शन? लेंथ इज, व्हाट इज लेंथ? हियर इट्स बेस इज a square of side 6 centimeter, means this is 6, this is 6. So how much volume is not filled? 6 into 6 into 1. 6 into 6 into 1. That is 36 centimeter cube is not filled. Now in the question it is said that when a cube is placed in the water and is completely submerged, the water rises to the top and 2 centimeter cube of water overflows. You can see here, when cube is immersed in this, what will happen? वाटर यहाँ तक राइज करता है और फिर क्या है, 2 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ओवरफ्लो हो जाता है. सो व्हाट विल बी द वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड पार्ट? हु विल टेल? व्हाट विल बी द वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर? वाटर राइजेज फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर एंड देन 2 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ओवरफ्लोज. सो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर? जितना वाटर इतने पार्ट में था plus 2 centimeter cube. It's clear? So you write down volume of displaced water. Water equals to volume of water in top 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeter cube, that is equals to 6 into 6 into 1 plus 2, that is 38 centimeter cube. Therefore volume of cube will be cube 38 centimeter cube. This will be the volume of cube. It's clear? Now you see here question 21. Question 21 you can see. The inner dimension of a closed wooden box. Closed wooden box means it is closed from all the sides. are 2 meter, 1.2 meter and 0.75 meter. Means what are the inner length? 2 meter, inner breadth 1.2 meter and inner height 0.75 meter. The thickness of the wood is 2.5 centimeter cube. Thickness is 2.5 centimeter cube. What does it mean? Means क्या हो जाएगी? Outer length कितनी हो गई? Now you can see here. This is 2 meter. This is 2 meter. And what is the thickness of the wood? 2.5 centimeter. Means 2.5 plus 2.5. So what will be outer length? This 2 meter plus 2.5, 2.5 in centimeter. So see here, outer, therefore edge wood is 2.5 centimeter thick. Therefore outer dimensions, what will be outer dimensions? Length will be equal to 2 plus 2 into 2.5. It is in centimeter. How will you convert in meter? Divided by 100. Multiply ही तुम बताओ. कोई भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं कर रही, हम देख रहे हैं. It will be 2.05 meter. 2.05 meter. What will be the inner breadth? 1.2 plus 2 into 2.5 upon 100. So it will be 1.25 meter. And what is the inner height? 0.75. Because dimensions are, inner dimensions are in meter. So it is 0.80 meter. Now see here, you have to find the cost of wood required to make the box if 1 meter cube of wood costs rupees 5400 per meter cube. So first you find out the volume of wood which is used in making the box. How will you find? कितनी वुड यूज हुई है बॉक्स बनाने में, कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? बोलो. इनर आउटर वॉल्यूम माइनस इनर वॉल्यूम, आउटर वॉल्यूम माइनस इनर वॉल्यूम. इट्स क्लियर? सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड विल बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड equals to outer volume minus inner volume. And what will be outer volume? You can see here, outer length is 2.05 into 1.25 into 0.80 minus 2 into 1.2 into 0.75. So by this way you will get the volume of wood in meter cube. Now what is the cost of 1 meter cube? बोलो, क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में? 5400. So what will be the cost of the wood? This volume multiplied by 5400. It is clear?